Good morning and welcome. Day 13 of our practice together, True Nature. So today we are going to open this practice up to include our thoughts and feelings, bringing an awareness to thoughts and feelings. So far we have been working and practicing on bringing awareness to the breath and body sensations. So we will now include our felt, thought and feeling sensations that constantly flow through our lives, all of which are experienced in our body, heart and mind. So sometimes our emotions, and sometimes without us even realizing, can become so powerful that they can rule and take over our lives. So what this practice of meditation, mindfulness can do is radically alter how we respond to these emotions that present themselves, or feelings that we live with, and bring a more balanced quality to them. Okay, so let's begin by just settling in as always. Just settle in presence. Your seat, your cushion, your mat, lie if you need to. Just be steady, relaxed, and at ease, but also alert. Just take a few initial deep breaths to help settle in. Begin to feel yourself pause and take time out of your day for this practice, cultivating your awareness. Once you feel settled, just breathe as normal, your primary anchor. Bring your focus to your primary anchor, sensations of your breathing, wherever you feel those most, in your body, your nostrils, your chest, your belly. Primary anchor is always in the forefront. Now just begin to notice and become aware of what you're feeling right now, this moment, today. What are your thoughts? What are your feelings? Begin to soften with these whilst keeping an awareness on your breath. Allow all the thoughts and feelings, receive them all with a mindful kindness, with compassion and with no judgment. You're just noticing them. Like the dandelion seed heads that we spoke about before in practice, you can notice these thoughts and feelings as seed heads floating past your awareness, or maybe clouds in the sky, just all lots of different clouds there, or maybe just one or two, just floating past the backdrop of a blue sky. Just notice them. And as you notice them more, you may become and feel maybe disconnected a little bit, maybe a little empty, numb. Feelings can make us feel this way, but just invite them all in, and bring your attention to them. and notice how they feel. Breathe, a steady anchor that is your breath. So right now, you're expanding your presence for feelings. Just breathe. Be aware of the thoughts and feelings and just notice them. Be a witness. I want you just to remember a time in the recent past that you felt really happy. You felt amazing, overjoyed, love, joy, happiness, or well-being. A time in the recent past when you felt like this. Just when you felt happy. Remember this time, bring it to mind. Notice how you experience the feelings that this memory is bringing up in your body. Where do you sense the feelings in your physical body? Maybe vibration, tingling in the belly, like a butterfly feeling. You're so happy, maybe complete relaxation. Just notice in your physical body right now, right here, how you experience those feelings of happiness, joy, love, well-being. And now with the same care and attention, remember an uncomfortable situation that happened in the recent past. Something that made you feel uncomfortable, that you weren't happy with. Notice the feelings in your body that this memory brings up. You know, you may have been anger, sadness. You might be feeling anxiety, frustration. Just notice. And notice how you sense those feelings in your body. And where you sense them. Now I want you to bring your awareness back to your breathing, your primary anchor. Just rest in your breathing. Just breathe. Notice the sensations of your breath, wherever you notice those the most. Notice how you're still sitting here. You're steady, you're still, and you're present. Notice how your awareness can allow all of these feelings to move through you whilst you remain steady, seated, and centered. This practice is about allowing all of these thoughts and feelings. This practice that we're doing together, it's about not blocking out thoughts and feelings to clear the mind. It's actually about allowing them all to happen as they arise. But the key is for you to be aware with a loving attention and awareness. You bring that same generous attention and awareness to these thoughts and feelings and emotions as you give to your breath and your body. Okay, so when you're ready, slowly, gently open your eyes, soft gaze. Okay, until tomorrow, thank you.
Mm-hmm.